Hey guys, it's Skinny Stapleton back in the gun room. Tonight I've got something that I would like to share with you. It's been a little project that I've been putting together over the last probably few months anyways, or the start of it started a couple months ago. And what I've got is a pistol upper. It's a 10.5-inch pistol upper that I've wanted to put together and do a little throwback or I can't, it's leaving my mind. A tribute to the XM177, but I wanted to do it in a pistol version. So I ordered a Palmetto State lower, complete with SB brace, factory mil spec trigger and everything. So I'm probably going to throw one of my, I'm sponsored through CMC, so it's only right to do it that way. But what I'd like to do is I traditionally run the CMC flat triggers. So I know that they do the curved, and just kind of to pay tribute to the way this gun should look, I'll probably go with the CMC curved trigger. But anyways, here's what we got. The XM177 Tribute. The original XM177 had a 6-inch flash hider type suppressor looking deal on it for the military. But that's not the route I wanted to go. I wanted to do it in a pistol, just to have a little shorter setup. I've got, several full-length ARs. Bear with me, guys. I've been hoarse for a little bit, so if I take a drink of my Mountain Dew, don't think it's because I'm rude. It's because I'm actually trying to talk to you guys. But anyways, so as far as I know, I looked up the possible manufacturers on this upper by itself. When I got it, it was still in a wrapper. I'm believing it's an FN upper. It was, just the upper receiver, of course. Buddy hooked me up with the charging handle, military style mil spec with a larger pull handle. And then also he sent me a Colt 10.3-inch barrel. And I haven't got to shoot this thing yet because I'm waiting on the PSA lower. Another friend of mine hooked me up with A2 front post, gas block setup, and then just ordered a carbine length gas tube. But I had the handguard I got from another buddy for relatively nothing. But if you guys see this, I know that's a safety pin. I'm waiting on my gas tube roll pin. Buddy might bring it to me tomorrow because I have some, but they're just not where I can find them. Okay, moving on. Went with the Silencer Co. ASR flash hider on this one. I really like the way it looks, just because it's just a flash hider. It's not like a big break or comp or anything. I've also got the ASR muzzle brakes, the ASR brakes on a couple other my ARs and a 6.5 Creedmoor. But I just really like the way this one looks. So, and it's kind of tribute-ish per se to the gun, so it doesn't, just look completely out of place. But the whole gun I bought the PSA lower for $200 shipped with SB brace, and right now I think I've got $280 in the whole build, just because I've got great friends that sent me some extra parts that they had. But I do have to get a bolt, and I'm kind of up in the air on what I should do for a bolt, whether I should just go mil spec or something a little fancier. But what I have, here's some of the bolts that I have. I've got a black nitride, they come out of my wife's AR, and then a salient, and then the salient, as you can tell, it's a tin titanium nitride, and then the F1, which is the DLC diamond light coating. And this thing is stupid impressive. Just as far as, I mean, they all function as should, they're all, bolts. But just the coating on this is so impressive. I've ran, 500 rounds to this thing, taking it out, throw a little gun oil on it, a little cleaner on a rag. And that's just because you can literally wipe this thing off with a rag. And I haven't had any buildup, deposits on this thing I've had to scrape off. Really impressive. But anyways, back to this. So this is, my tribute to the XM177. It's, pretty simple setup, FN upper, I believe, and then this is A2 handguard. I believe it's A2 handguard. If I'm wrong about that, please correct me, because I do not know that much about the originals. I know that from the pictures I've seen, this is, really close to the XM177. But, and I thought about getting the bayonet. I don't know if I would actually use it, but it kind of be cool just to, I guess, prop it up somewhere or hang it, put it in a display case until I shoot it on my pistol setup, or shoot it as a pistol setup. But hope you guys, enjoyed that. If you, like my videos or any of my other videos, please hit subscribe, and hopefully I can, pump out some good material. And if you guys want to see anything, just let me know. Thanks.